is for apple.
Hello, friends! Today we will draw and color the alphabet. A. B
is for cat. Cat. D is for
C.
dog. Dog.
D. E
is for elephant. Elephant. F is for friend. Friend. G is for grass. Grass. H is for horse. Horse.
I.
A is for apple. Apple.
J.
B is for baby.
K.
Baby. C is for cat.
L. M.
Cat. D is for dog.
N.
Dog.
O. P.
E is
Q.
for elephant. Elephant.
R.
is for friend.
S.
Friend. G
T.
is for grass.
U.
Grass. H is for horse.
V.
Horse.
W. X.
I is for igloo.
Y.
Igloo. J is for juice.
Z.
Juice. K is for kitten.
I will color the letter A with yellow.
L is for lamb. Lamb.
Let's color the letter B.
N is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose.
I will color the letter C with red.
Nose. O is for orange. Orange. P
I will color
is
the
for
letter D.
Picture.
E is for
Q
egg.
is for queen. Queen. R is for ring.
I will color the letter F with blue.
Ring. S is for
F is for frog.
snake. T is for tennis. Tennis.
G is for giraffe.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V
I will color
is
the
for
letter
van.
H with light green.
Van. W is for window. Window.
I is for
insect. Xmas.
Let's color the letter J.
Y is for yellow.
I will color the letter K with magenta.
Z is for zoo.
K is for koala.
Zoo.
L is for lime.
A is for apple.
M is for
B
moon.
is for baby. Baby. C is for cat. Cat. D is for
N
dog.
is for nest.
Dog.
Let's color the letter O with
is for
orange.
Elephant. Elephant. F is for friend.
P is for penguin.
Friend. G is for grass. Grass.
Q is for
H is
queen.
For horse. Horse.
Let's color the letter
is for
R.
igloo.
R is for rabbit.
Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K
I will use
is
the purple for the letter
kitten.
S.
Kitten. L
Let's
is
color
for
the letter
lamb.
T.
Lamb.
U is for umbrella.
M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose.
I will color the letter V with dark
Nose.
green.
O is for orange.
Let's color the letter W.
Orange. P
W is for
picture.
whale.
Picture. Q is for queen.
I will color the letter X with sky blue.
R is for ring. Ring. S is for snake.
Y is for yak.
Snake. T is for tennis.
Z is for
tennis.
zebra.
U is for umbrella.
Good job, friends. Don't forget
V is
subscribe
for
for more.